Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're delving into how to organize a public relations campaign using Airtable. First off, begin by creating a new base in Airtable. This is your command center, where you'll manage all aspects of your PR campaign. Having one central place for everything helps to streamline your workflow and keep things organized. Next, you'll want to create separate tables for each major element of your campaign. You might have tables for things like press releases, media contacts, events, and so on. The reason we do this is to break down the campaign into manageable chunks, making it easier to track progress and identify what needs to be done. Now that we've done that, it's time to add fields to each table. These fields could include dates, statuses, assignments, and more. This helps us because it provides a clear overview of each task in your campaign and who's responsible for it. For instance, in your press releases table, you might have fields for the release date, writer, and status. Let me explain why this matters. With a quick glance, you'll know exactly where each press release stands. Finally, use Airtable's powerful Views feature to see your data in different ways, like Calendar View for events or Kanban View for tasks. This is where Airtable really shines. It offers you a visual way to manage your campaign, making it easier to spot bottlenecks or upcoming deadlines. And there you have it. You've just organized your public relations campaign using Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep everything in one place and use the tools at your disposal to stay on top of tasks and deadlines. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.